Back for another video. This video is sponsored by Mom's House. This guy, he's not even working. He's just texting on the job. You go let him text on the job like that?
Yeah, hi Haitian YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by Mom's Performance because all you do is park his shit here and take it apart and block me from working. He blocks me from working, guys. Look at the shit. Look. Hey, he can't have nothing new, bruh. Nah, bruh. Hold on.
You know what that cost you, K&N?
This is what you do to my channel. Nigga.
Y'all don't listen to that guy, right? Anyways, I already started working. Some old grumpy guy over there was telling me I should be recording this, so I guess I'll record it.
Hey, come tell them about how I'm stealing parts off your car.
It's fucked up.
Tyler, man, I hope you watch this, man. Look, I'm stealing parts off a Haitian's car.
It's fucked up. I don't like RB25s anyways.
Nah, you know, so he didn't think he was good enough at drifting. You guys just see in my video because he definitely was making it around OSW. So if you want, just go to my channel, check out the video I just dropped, and you guys will see how much he sucks.
Let me just zoom in on your tooth. When you talk shit, that tooth be coming out. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna make a shirt like this.
Oh shit. Dog boxes suck. No matter how much money you spend, they suck. Fuck no. Anyways, Nick working. This guy's doing something.
I can't get into my YouTube.
And I'm installing this RPM cutout. I'm gonna use the stock muffler still. I don't care to change it. I already took the stock pipe off, which was a bitch. But yeah. I got the optional blanket and the optional gasket along with the blow-off valve and pipe coupler thing. I had to cut this bitch for the cutout, and yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna put it on. Yep. This is the new intake charge pipe. That's the old one. There's the blow-off valve right there. I also have to put in this little block off and this nipple into the intake.
I'm gonna show you guys that he's actually working because he don't record anything saying he's working. So let's see.
This shit sucks, by the way.
You bought it.
Oh, using my camera.
He's sweaty as fuck. Damn. All that to do it, huh? So this is where the Turbski at? Damn, look at that tiny little thing. I told you should have just deleted the blow valve, bro. It would have sounded way better, guys. Go in the comments and tell me that it would have sounded way better than him doing a blow valve. Hey, this is a spaceship for a goddamn muffler, boy. I tell you what. You gotta do something about that. You got something for that, don't you?
It's either I do a delete or I put an aftermarket one.
Hey guys, this is why we lose lights at Monster, because you see where he stuck it, right? I promise you he will forget it there and then be like, oh yeah, I don't know what happened to it.
I really don't know what happened to it.
Sad.
Shit, I already did everything. I took out the spark arrestor because I don't think I need it anyways. I'm in Florida, fuck it. It's not California. There's a cutout. I'll try to sit you guys to where you can hear what it sounds like. Alright, obviously I'm sweaty as fuck and just got done with this. Took me a while. Had a whole bunch of shit I had to figure out, but yeah, it's done. I'm gonna take a drive so you can hear the blow off. It's loud as fuck with the cutout. Yeah, that's about it. Actually, I totally forgot. I have the front windshield. It's not the Can-Am flip up windshield and shit, just a regular windshield, but I'll probably get that later on. But yeah, I'm gonna put that on just so I can go rip it. All right, so the windshield's on. This is it quiet. That's it loud. I'm gonna give y'all what the blow off sounds like.